BJP leader and Odia actor Arindam Roy has responded to the ongoing controversy surrounding his alleged remarks against journalists and media organizations. Addressing a press conference on Thursday at the BJP office in Tangi, Arindam Roy clarified that his statements had been misinterpreted and wrongly projected on social media platforms. The controversy erupted after certain videos and comments allegedly linked to the actor-politician went viral online, drawing sharp criticism from sections of journalists and social media users. Some accused him of making derogatory remarks against media professionals in pursuit of online attention. Responding to these allegations, Arindam Roy strongly denied having made any statement against journalists or any media organization. He claimed that his words were deliberately twisted and taken out of context, leading to unnecessary controversy and trolling on social media. The BJP leader further stated that the misinformation not only targeted him but also extended to his family members. Arindam clarified that his comments were directed at individuals who, according to him, were spreading false information and targeting him personally online. He also reiterated that he holds deep respect for journalists and acknowledges the important role of the media in a democratic society. The controversy continues to generate debate, while the actor maintains that his statements have been misrepresented.
आपण भूल न बुझंतु आपण से कथाटा को भलो से सुनंतु मु सांबादिक भाई कहि नाही कि मीडिया कहि नाही कि गणमाध्यम मध्ये कहि नाही मु कहिछि किछि चैनल जे भी घरे बसी कि निजे रील्स करूची से कहि दउची निजको गणमाध्यम मु से मानक कहिछि किंतु प्रकृत जो माने सांबादिक प्रकृत जो माने गणमाध्यम जो माने फील्ड रे बुलुचंती जो माने खरा तरा रे बुलुचंती अंचल को जाउचंती खबर नउचंती ये कथा तांको पई नथिला एई जो माने घरे बसी गोटे पुराना फोटो पकई कि बैकग्राउंड रे वॉइस देकी गोटे रेकॉर्डिंग करी खाली कहि चलचंती मोठू 100 किलोमीटर 500 किलोमीटर दूर रे बसी कि किछि न जानी न सुनी मो परिवार विषय रे कहउचंती मोर बैकग्राउंड विषय रे कहउचंती मो बापा मा विषय रे कहउचंती मु तांको कहितली ए कथा जो माने सब कले मोर परिवार मोर पर्सनालिटी मोर हिस्ट्री बैकग्राउंड ने कहले मु केवल से मानको कहितली जे दीटा व्यूज पई एई भली नेगेटिव न्यूज करूचंती।